Go.
You have to do just the slime.
Okay, go. 5 minutes of fart noises with slime.
Yeah.
Go. Oh, that's nasty. How do you do that?
All you have to do is just take it out and then just push it in. And if there's an extra side of it, you have to keep pushing it. Kiki! Stop.
What kind of slime are you using?
Flarp.
Flarp.
And it also says on the lid.
Flarp makes good fart sounds. Make some good fart sounds.
I remember I used to have one, but then I mixed it up with Gage's blue slime. And then it made purple, and then it broke.
Oh, nasty. Gotta get in there. Here, let me try. Oh, it feels nasty. Oh, gotta get some good ones. Here we go. Here's a good one. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Dad's doing the video.
Oh.
Wait.
That's my armpit, right? Here, you want...
You can make fart sounds with your elbow, and she can make fart sounds with the slime.
Wait, Gigi, how about you do the same fart noises? What comes from the slime?
Let's do it.
I don't know how to do armpit fart noises.
You would slime it? That was in school, though.
I had that kind of fart at school, though, before. Everybody left.
You guys are nasty.
No, we're not. It's natural.
Oh, now I try. Let's all do it at the same time. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's not big enough.
Right? Pop it to find it.
Hold on. I can make it. Okay, put it in. Ew, nasty! There's a bubble. Hopefully Langdon is not watching this.
I suck with my left. Let's try to do it with my leg. I done it with my leg before.
Nice try.
Yeah, it's totally a nice try.
Oh, 20 more seconds. Make some good fart sounds. And then the 5 minutes of fart sounds, and we'll be over.